Good afternoon. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and look over the new scope that I ordered for my Webley Mastiff. It's a Athlon Optics. It's a 312 by 14. This is the milled up version. They do various reticles. I ordered mine from Optics Warehouse. 150 quid it was, near enough. 149.95. You can get this in also, I think they do illuminated reticle as well. This is non-illuminated. So basically the box is quite solid. It's got like a magnetic lock on it as well, very similar to the Entity Optics boxes. Open it up, it comes with a manual here, also a cleaning cloth of the lens. The manual tells you all you need to know really. It doesn't actually mention the side focus, but the parallax adjustments, but it mentions everything else. How to mount it, how to sight it in, how to zero it, how to adjust the windage and elevation, what type of reticles there are, and if it's illuminated, I've got illuminated ones. Now the website is very good. It lists, it just doesn't list by the specifications of the whole scope, but their website is very detailed. So look at this scope here. I've got their website at the moment. It's 12 inches long, it weighs 16.2 ounces. It's side focus down to 10 yards to infinity. It's got 20mm windage and elevation adjustments. Its eye relief is 3.82 down to 3.35 inches. It's made of high grade aluminium, aircraft aluminium. And also its features, just running through the features, it's nitrogen purged, shockproof to 1000G, designed for 1000G, fog proof and waterproof. Okay, it's got multi-coated lenses as well. Okay, so there's a pretty good specification. Okay, so looking inside the box, it comes packed with this foam to protect the scope. So we'll just pop this out. Quite nice and firm in there. What we'll do, just unbag it, so take the elastic bandage off, pull the bag off. It's all got a little bit of gel in there, keep the moisture out, which is good. Right, so we've got end caps here. Now these are really only just to protect it. Most people will replace these with probably flip ups, which I would probably get some Butler Creeks or something similar. Okay, so this is the scope. Okay, so you've got your eye focus there, so you focus your reticle to your particular eye. It's nice, it's firm, it's not over tight, but once it's in position it should hold, and you should only need to adjust that once anyhow, once you set your eye up to the reticle. Going forward, this is your zoom ring, yeah, and it zooms from 3 up to 12. So it goes basically 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 12. Okay, so that's your magnification. Okay, going forward, you've got your windage and your elevation. So your elevation here, they're very positive, nice clicks. Okay, you can also, once you've zeroed your scope up, they're both identical by the way, the windage and elevation settings. Once you've set your scope up and zeroed it up, you can take this off it with a little, use a coin, and you can lift the cap off and set it to 0. Okay, you do it on both sides, so you will always be set to 0, so you can adjust your aim points. Okay, nice touch is that the cap here at the bottom, there's a little rubber seal as well, which oddly enough my Entity Connect didn't have. I thought it would have at that sort of price, so that sort of makes sure it's nice and sealed, so you don't get any moisture in there. Your side focus here, side focus is it's smooth. It's a little bit stiffer than the eye focus, but that may well, you know, ease up with use. It's actually is marked up as well, so it's marked up from 15 yards. It'll turn down to 10, but it's actually marked at 15, 25, 50, 75, 100. And then 200, 300, 500 and then infinity yards. Okay, so it's actually marked on there. I will be trying it out when I fitted it, and I know my range is 25 metres from my shooting point, so this should be set just over 25 yards, about 27.4 yards, I think, 25 metres, so it should focus perfectly. So we'll be testing this when I fit it. The lens, yeah, the optics looks very nice. They are multi-coated. I'm not sure whether you'll get an image through this. It's pretty hard to do with just about there. Okay, so that's your mil dot reticle. Okay, so overall impression, yeah, it looks really well made. Lenses look good. So yeah, what I want to do is fit it to the Mastiff. I've got some sports match mounts, which they recommend in the manual. Use good mounts, yeah, to make sure that the scope is nice and stable. Yeah, there's no point to having a good rifle, a good scope, and then not putting some real cheap mounts on where it's going to be, it's going to have to move. Okay, so yeah, looks really nice. The finish and fit and finish looks really good. So thanks for watching.